Welcome, friends! Today I'm taking you on a beautiful journey to a peaceful village morning. Let's step into the life of this charming little place where every sound, every smell, and every moment tells a story. The sun rises gently over the village, painting the sky in soft shades of pink, orange, and gold. The morning air is fresh and cool, and the faint chirping of birds fills the surroundings with life. It's early morning, and everyone is starting their day slowly, peacefully. Farmers head to their fields, some feeding their chickens, clucking happily, while others lead their goats to graze in the nearby pastures. The soft rustle of leaves and the faint sound of flowing water from the canal add a gentle rhythm to the morning. A woman walks to the village well, carrying an empty bucket.
100 rupees per kilo.
She bends carefully, filling it with clear, sparkling water, balancing the weight gracefully as she walks back home. You can almost hear the splashing water and feel the morning breeze brushing against her face. Meanwhile, a farmer steps out of his house, heading towards the market. Along the dusty path, he passes a small butcher's shop. The butcher is busy chopping fresh meat with steady hands. The farmer stops and asks about the prices. Their friendly chatter mixes with the sounds of the waking village. Cows mooing in the distance, the occasional crow from a tree, and the faint ringing of a bicycle bell. Back at home, the housewife sweeps the courtyard with a broom, the soft rhythm of brushing leaves creating a cozy morning melody. Then she turns to her daughter and begins braiding her hair, humming softly, a smile playing on her lips. Her daughter giggles as a stray lock of hair tickles her cheek. Soon, she heads out again, this time carrying a basket of fresh vegetables, potatoes, tomatoes, and green chilies, picked carefully from her garden. She walks slowly, savoring the calm of the morning, noticing the gentle sway of trees and the golden sunlight streaming through the leaves. By the village canal, she washes the vegetables under the flowing water, making sure each leaf is sparkling clean. The water gurgles softly as it passes her hands, and a tiny breeze lifts the scent of fresh earth and greenery into the air. She gathers her vegetables and heads home, ready to begin cooking. Back in the kitchen, she places the vegetables neatly near the stove. Her husband arrives, carrying the meat he bought earlier, his face relaxed and content. Together, they begin preparing the meal, a quiet teamwork that speaks volumes about daily life in the village. She lights the fire under the stove and pours oil into a pan, the soft hiss echoing in the warm kitchen. Carefully, she adds potatoes and meat, stirring gently as they cook slowly. The aroma starts filling the house, inviting and comforting. Once cooked, she lets them cool slightly, then separates the bones from the meat with skillful hands. She mixes spices, grinding them with care, and applies the mixture to small portions of meat. These small pieces will become delicious chicken lollipops. She heats oil again, frying each piece one by one until golden and crispy. The sizzling sound and the smell of cooked spices fill the kitchen completely, welcoming the new day. Finally, she packs the cooked chicken lollipops along with the fresh vegetables. She places them neatly in baskets, ready to share with her family. The farmer sits on a charpai, waiting patiently, watching the gentle smoke rising from the stove, listening to the soft murmur of the morning life around him. Together, they sit down, sharing the meal. The crunch of fresh vegetables, the soft warmth of the meat, and the laughter of the little girl make this moment simple yet perfect. A wholesome start to a new day in the village, where every small task brings joy, and every sight is beautiful. And that's a little glimpse into the life of a peaceful village morning. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cozy stories from around the world. See you next time.
Yummy!
This chicken is incredibly good.
Yes, the best we've had in a long time. Friends, Like and subscribe, please.